At the dry cleaners.
Good morning. I need to get this wool suit and these 3 shirts cleaned, please.
Hello. Are there any specific stains we need to know about?
Yes, there is a small coffee stain on the white shirt pocket, although it is quite old.
And can you also clean this silk dress? It is very delicate, so please be careful with it.
Of course. We have a special, gentle process for silk because it damages easily.
When will everything be ready for pickup? We need the suit for a wedding on Saturday.
It usually takes 3 days, but for the suit, it will be ready by Friday afternoon.
That is perfect. How much is the total for everything, including the special dress cleaning?
That will be $40. Here is your ticket. Please don't lose it.
At the flower shop.
Oh, Mark, look at these beautiful roses. They smell amazing because they are very fresh.
They are nice, but I think a potted plant is a better gift for Sarah because it lasts longer.
You have a good point. A flower bouquet is beautiful, but it dies in a week.
What about this small green succulent? It is easy to take care of, even if she forgets to water it sometimes.
No, Sarah likes bright colors. Let's get her a purple orchid. It looks elegant and cheerful.
Okay, an orchid is fine. Do we need a nice pot for it too, or does it come with one?
The shop usually puts it in a simple pot, so maybe we should buy a colorful decorative pot.
Let's ask the florist if she can make a nice gift arrangement with a card. At the post office. Sending a postcard.
Hello. I would like to send these 2 postcards to Spain and a small package to France.
Hello. Let's start with the postcards. Do you want regular mail or express delivery?
Regular mail is fine for postcards because they are just for friends.
Okay. That is 2 stamps, which is $4. Now let's weigh the package.
The package has a book and some chocolates. I hope it is not too heavy.
It is only 1 kilogram, so it is not expensive. Do you want to add a tracking number?
Yes, because we want to know when it arrives safely in Paris.
How long will it take for the package to get there?
Regular mail to France usually takes about 10 business days.
At the newsstand. Buying magazines. Look, Emma, the new issue of Tech Monthly is finally out. I want to read the article about electric cars.
I am looking for a fashion magazine, but there are too many choices. Which one is the best?
Vogue is very popular, but maybe Elle is more interesting.
I think I will take Elle because I like the photographs. Do they also have today's newspaper?
Yes, the Daily Globe is right here. My father reads it every single day.
Let's buy a newspaper for your dad, a fashion magazine for me, and the tech magazine for you.
Do you need anything else? Maybe a packet of gum or a bottle of water?
No, just the magazines and the newspaper. Let's go pay.
At the bistro. Lunch with a friend. Hi, David. It is great to see you. How are you doing?
I am doing well, thanks. This bistro is very nice. I have never been here before.
I suggested it because they have the best sandwiches in the city. Have you decided what to order?
I think I will have the chicken club sandwich with a side salad.
I am very hungry, so I am going to order the steak frites.
That is a very large lunch. I will just have the soup of the day and some bread.
Are you also going to order dessert? Their chocolate cake looks delicious.
I will wait and see how full I am after the steak.
Let's ask for some water for the table first.
At the toy store.
We need to find a birthday present for your nephew, Leo. He is turning 5 years old next week.
What does he like? I remember he loves dinosaurs and cars.
Look at this building block set. It says ages 5 and up on the box.
That is a good idea because it helps with creativity. But look at this huge dinosaur robot. It walks and talks.
That is probably too loud for his parents. Let's get the building blocks. It is a quieter and safer choice.
I think you are right. We also need to buy some colorful wrapping paper and a nice birthday card.
Let's look over there. I also want to find a small stuffed animal for his baby sister.
At the hardware store. The leg of the kitchen chair is broken. I need some strong wood glue to fix it.
Do we also have a saw to cut the extra wood?
No, we need a small saw, some sandpaper, and maybe some new screws.
While we are here, I want to look at paint colors for the small bedroom. Do you like this soft blue or this light green?
I prefer the light green because it looks very calm.
Okay, let's buy a small can of green paint to test it on the wall first.
That is a smart plan. Now, where is the aisle with the saws and the screws? At the furniture store. We have too many books on the floor. We need to buy a large bookshelf.
I really like this wooden one. It is tall and looks very strong.
But it is very wide. Do we have enough space for it in the living room?
I measured the wall this morning. We have exactly 2 meters, so this bookshelf fits.
Does it come in pieces, or is it already assembled?
It probably comes in a box, although sometimes you can pay extra for the store to assemble it.
Let's try to assemble it ourselves to save money, even if it is a bit difficult.
Okay, but we must use that strong wood glue we bought at the hardware store.
At the art gallery. I am not sure about this painting. I don't understand the abstract colors.
I find it very interesting because the artist uses bright colors to show emotion.
Look at the other room. The paintings there are more realistic, with portraits of people.
I prefer the abstract art room because it makes me think.
Let's go see the sculpture exhibition. I usually enjoy 3D art more than paintings.
Okay, how much did the tickets cost?
The tickets are free because today is the first Sunday of the month.
That is great! After the gallery, let's have a coffee in the small garden.
At the book launch.
I am so excited to meet the author of my favorite book series. I love her stories.
I am happy to be here with you, even if I don't read as many novels as you do.
The line is quite long. I hope we can get a signature before the store closes.
While you wait in the line, I am going to browse the non-fiction section.
Don't go too far. I want you to take a picture of me when it is my turn.
Of course. I will take a great photo. Do you have her latest book?
Yes, I bought it last week. I also brought my favorite old book for her to sign.
I can see the author now. She seems very friendly because she is smiling and chatting with everyone.